Hey, what's going on, people? I hope you guys are doing good. Today, we're gonna be looking at this, the AEKE K1. It's an all-in-one AI-powered smart home gym with a mirrored interface, a beautiful 4K touchscreen. It's made for coaching and strength training, and it gives you real-time feedback as you're working out. Not only that, but the AEKE K1 has a very small footprint, a minimalist aesthetic, and it's packed with features that I've never seen before on any smart home gym. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the video, beginning with what's included. Inside the box, you get the unit itself, which has mirror functionality, a beautiful 43-inch touchscreen, and it has a 2.1 HiFi audio sound system that sounds absolutely incredible. And the bundle that I received also included a bench, smart handles, a smart barbell, straps, an extra paracord for maintenance later on down the road, and it even came with a smart scale with a grip for body composition. What's crazy is all of the accessories are extremely premium. I mean, I've never seen workout equipment that is this high quality. You can see that they possibly took inspiration from maybe Porsche design or German engineering based upon the chamfered edges and the font. And it's not just about the aesthetics, it's also the functionality. I mean, take the bench, for example. The way that it unfolds and then collapses to how you adjust the seat is just extremely fluid and easy to operate. I mean, while you're adjusting the seat, it gives you the exact angle that you're gonna be sitting in as you're adjusting it. Other than the gym equipment, you're also getting 320 plus exercises and 140 plus courses for life without any subscription fee, and you get future updates. That's a pretty big deal. Now let's talk about the setup. As soon as you unbox the AEKE K1, it's ready to go. It's plug and play. There's no drilling holes in your walls or hanging anything up. It's meant for you to get up and started as quickly as possible. And the entire unit is on wheels, so rolling it around, repositioning it, and tucking it away requires little to no effort. Once it's set up and you're ready to start working out, the AEKE K1 features a one-click folding platform. To operate it, you just simply press the button on the side of the unit and the platform will extend. Now I gotta say, the platform is kind of slow at folding and unfolding, but this isn't anything that AEKE did to the K1 or weak motors. It's for safety reasons to give you time to stop it in case there's a potential hazard in the way. While you're working out, whether you're using the workout bench or doing standing exercises, the platform itself is extremely sturdy, so you don't have to worry about any stability issues. Once you're done working out and you're ready to tuck it away, you just simply hit that side button again, and then the unit shrinks by 90% to only 0.3 square meters, giving you an extremely small footprint inside your home for an all-in-one gym. Now let's talk about the key features and the design. And there's a lot to talk about here, so let's just start with the aesthetics to get it out of the way. This thing is beautiful. I mean, it looks extremely modern and minimal. It looks like furniture, not necessarily gym gear. In fact, the design is so good that it's won multiple awards, including Red Dot, IDA, and CMF. Now, outside of its beautiful exterior, this thing has a lot going on in its interior. Like, there's a lot of technology crammed in this thing, including AI, so let's start there. Real-time form coaching gives you real-time form feedback to let you know if you have proper body mechanics or your posture's a little off while you're working out to make sure that you're getting the most efficient workout possible. It tracks 42 different skeletal points and it gives you form correction feedback in 0.5 seconds, which is pretty incredible. It also has built-in AI to help you come out with a custom workout. So say you only want to work out your arms and you only want to work out for less than 20 minutes, you can set all that up and then it will give you a custom workout plan specifically for that day. Now you can favorite that workout if you want to go back to it later, or you can always view it again tomorrow or the next day by going into your history. Another interesting feature that I'm pretty sure takes advantage of AI is smart progression. It acts pretty much like your own personal spotter by assisting you while you're working out if it notices that you're struggling, or automatically adjusting the weight to ensure that you finish the rep and ultimately finish your sets. There's even a full-on 6D fitness assessment. I've never seen anything like this on any other gym equipment that I've personally used. This includes assessing your body composition, your cardio capacity, your posture, flexibility, strength baseline, and even movement quality. And once all of that information is gathered, the machine will start creating custom workout plans, routines, and programs that are curated for your body only, making everything feel more personal and unique. You know, everybody has their off days. You might not be feeling as strong today as you did yesterday, and in the instance that this happens, there's a safety feature on board the AEKE K1 called auto release, which disengages the resistance if it senses instability or fatigue. So you don't have to worry about pulling a muscle or hurting yourself by straining too hard. Now we've talked about the smart features and the AI capabilities of the AEKE K1. Now let's talk about some of the key specifications that I think that you should know about, including the fact that it does have a built-in camera. Obviously, I mean, that's how it's able to track you and give you real-time form feedback. And if you're worried about privacy, don't be, because they include this little magnet that just attaches over the camera whenever you're not using it. And once you start using the unit, you just take the magnet and you put it on the back of the machine for storage. When it comes to working out and providing you with the right resistance, the AEKE K1 provides up to 220 pounds of it, including progression, and you can adjust the weight in 1 pound increments, giving you pretty fine-tuned control. It also has 5 different strength modes, so no matter where you're at on your fitness journey, you should feel comfortable using this machine. And lastly, one feature that I really appreciate is the fact that this is household friendly, meaning that you can have multiple profiles and each profile has their own independent progress tracking. This is perfect for me and my wife who've been trying to get back in shape and work out together. It can track her progress and keep it separate from mine. I know it doesn't sound like a big deal, but believe it or not, there's a lot of companies out there that charge you for multiple profiles. And speaking of it being household friendly, even my kid can enjoy this machine because it has some pretty interesting games, including like cut the fruit. I mean, it's really interactive. It's a lot of fun. Not only can you enjoy it as an adult while you're working out, but even your kids can enjoy it. Plus, you can do screen mirroring with your iPhone or Android device. And like I said, the speakers on this are incredible. So you could even use this thing as like a boombox. And on top of all of that, you can even customize it a little bit. As you can see with my lock screen back here, you can pick your own wallpaper and instantly send it over to the machine from the AEKE app. And speaking of the app, it's also feature rich. It provides you workouts that you can do on the go, such as cardio, yoga, different stretches, or even calisthenics. You can also customize your workouts directly on the app and then send them over to the machine once they're ready, and then just pick up from where you left off. Now, with all of that being said, let's quickly talk about my experience using the AEKE K1. I really haven't used it for that long, despite me having it for a while now, and that's because, well, in the beginning I encountered some issues. It wasn't necessarily the machine, it had to do with my electrical system in my home and the cord that was provided or power brick that was provided. It just didn't necessarily agree with what I have hooked up in my home. It just caused my breaker to trip nonstop. Couldn't figure out why. And the team over at AEKE were extremely responsive, extremely helpful. I mean, they pretty much contacted me and stayed in contact with me every step of the way. They wanted me to get everything resolved. And eventually they provided me with a power brick that worked with my system and everything was fine. And I gotta say, when it comes to support, this thing has received at least 15 firmware updates. You can definitely see they are extremely passionate about the K1. I mean, how much support they provided me, the step-by-step walkthrough to get this thing up and running, and all of the firmware updates, I'm really impressed. So this brings me to my overall thoughts and conclusion. After using the AEKE K1 for, I don't know, about 2-3 weeks now, I'm really impressed by it, but I do think I need to address some concerns that I've seen online, specifically about the price of this thing. At $4,600, the AEKE K1 is definitely expensive. I'm not trying to sugarcoat it by any means. However, there are no monthly subscription fees, and when you compare it to the competition, you're actually getting a lot here. I mean, let's just not trying to name drop here, but take Tonal for example. The unit itself is over $5,000, and you have a $50 a month subscription fee. So when you look at it compared to that, this is a hell of a bargain. I'll go ahead and drop links in the description as well as the pinned comment. So if you want to pick up one of these or just learn more about it, you could do so. But overall, I gotta say, I'm really impressed. I really like it, and I can't wait to dive in it a little bit more. Well, that pretty much does it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content just like this. And outside of that, I will see you beautiful people in the next one.